Hi everyone, this is Mohit and I am presenting you Sankalp app. This is school marksheet management system and I am building it for Android and iOS. You can see this is iOS simulator on my computer screen and this is where I will be presenting a walkthrough of all the features that have been built for this app. First of all, I am working it on my local machine, and which means that the database that I am connecting to is on my local server. First things first, there are three modes: admin mode, teacher mode, and student mode. Admin can select all the subjects and he can set all the he can select all the teachers and he will also insert all the students. Basically, everything will be controlled by the admin. Next, the teacher. Teacher will only give grades for the exams. And by the way, admin can set up exams as well. And yeah, and student will only be able to view his grade. So let's show you a demo. Let's start with the demo. Username, admin login you can select by here. This is a drop down, and if you select admin, you can be able to do admin login. Admin has some login credentials and which will be used to log in, and there are this lot of these alert screens, but these are just for debug purposes. When the app will actually go to production, I will be removing all these debug steps. So now let's start with what the options are. Here this is the menu. Here you can see student page, subject page, teachers page, and profile will lead you here. This is the profile page. You can just log out if you want, or I think you will like to stay here. So right now there are five options apart from logout, five buttons. Student details will so take you to the student page. Look here, this is the student page, and I am displaying students for a particular class and a section, and you can change the class and section using this. So 2b has the students, 1a has the students, so it will be like this. And if you want to add students, you can click here and add students. Okay, so right now let's add a student to section 1a, and then I will add a few students to section 1 section 3c or something like that. Let's say I have added 4 students. Let's say his roll number is 5. Let's say his full name be QW, email ID qq@q.q, some random email ID, phone number 1135 any random phone number, and I'm going to add a student has been added successfully. And if you see the student details now, you will, let me scroll to the down, see, you will see QQ which roll number 5. Let's add a student to 3C. Right now you will see 3C has no students, so let's go ahead and add a student here. Section 3, section C, roll number 1, full name AQ, email ID A1@a.b, and random email ID. Mobile number, let's say 11317. Let's add another student. Yeah, let's add another student to Q S. This is his name, email ID. Let's make it a2 at the rate a dot b. Phone number. Let's 1323. This maybe let's select this as the phone number. Student. So now let's see which students are there in the student details section. You can see 3C will have all the details. See this password, you have to give this password to the student, and he will be using his email to log in. So right now let me demonstrate how the student will log in. His password, okay, his password I can get from the database, so I'm just signing out. See, this is his email, a1 at a.b, and his password is this. Let me copy it. a1 at a.b. And he will log in as student. Login. Okay, so you can see the login works. So let me pause my video here. In the next video I will show you how to add teachers.